The new Massey Ferguson 385 tractor is one of the most trusted and widely used agricultural machines in Pakistan and many other farming regions. Over the years, it has built a strong reputation for durability, power, and reliability. Farmers prefer this tractor because it is designed to handle tough working conditions while remaining easy to maintain. The new model continues the same proven design, making it a dependable choice for medium to large farms. The Massey Ferguson 385 is powered by a strong 4-cylinder diesel engine that produces around 85 horsepower. This engine provides excellent torque, which helps the tractor perform demanding tasks such as deep plowing, heavy cultivation, and trolley pulling. The water-cooled system ensures that the engine remains at an ideal temperature even during long working hours, reducing the risk of overheating and extending engine life. Its strong performance allows farmers to complete work efficiently without frequent breakdowns. Fuel efficiency is another major advantage of the MF385. The tractor is designed to deliver high output while consuming less diesel, which helps farmers save money on fuel costs. This makes it especially suitable for long working days during peak farming seasons. The engine is known for smooth operation and reliable starting, even in extreme weather conditions, which adds to the overall dependability of the tractor. The transmission system of the Massey Ferguson 385 includes 8 forward gears and 2 reverse gears. This wide range of gears allows the operator to choose the correct speed for different agricultural tasks. Slow speeds are ideal for plowing and sowing, while higher speeds are useful for transportation and trolley work. The dual clutch system improves control during PTO operations by allowing smooth engagement without interrupting power flow, which increases productivity and reduces operator effort. Hydraulic performance is one of the strongest features of the MF385. It has a powerful hydraulic system capable of lifting heavy implements weighing up to approximately 2,400 kilograms. This allows the tractor to easily operate equipment such as plows, cultivators, rotavators, seed drills, and ridgers. The hydraulic controls are responsive and simple to use, which helps farmers complete tasks more accurately and efficiently. The PTO system operates at 540 RPM, making it compatible with most agricultural implements commonly used in local farming. The tractor is built with a strong and heavy body that provides excellent balance and stability in the field. Its solid chassis and wide rear tires offer better traction, especially in muddy or uneven soil conditions. This reduces wheel slippage and improves overall efficiency. The durable construction ensures a long service life, even when the tractor is used regularly for heavy-duty operations. Operator comfort in the Massey Ferguson 385 is practical and functional. The seating position is adjustable, and the controls are placed within easy reach of the driver. The steering system is smooth, allowing easy maneuverability in both fields and narrow farm paths. Although the tractor does not include advanced digital displays or luxury cabin features, its simple and straightforward design is preferred by many farmers who value ease of use and reliability over modern technology. Maintenance of the MF385 is simple and affordable, which is one of the key reasons for its popularity. Spare parts are widely available across Pakistan at reasonable prices, and most local mechanics are experienced in repairing this model. Routine servicing does not require advanced tools or specialized knowledge, which helps reduce downtime and long-term ownership costs. This makes the tractor a practical investment for farmers looking for consistent performance with low maintenance expenses. The Massey Ferguson 385 is suitable for a wide range of agricultural applications. It is commonly used for growing crops such as wheat, rice, sugarcane, cotton, and maize. In addition to field work, It is also used for water pumping, threshing, and transportation. Its versatility allows farmers to rely on one machine for multiple tasks throughout the farming year. Overall, the new Massey Ferguson 385 tractor remains a reliable and powerful option for farmers who need a strong, fuel-efficient, and durable machine. While it may not offer modern high-tech features, its proven performance, easy maintenance, and long lifespan make it one of the most dependable tractors in the agricultural sector. For farmers seeking a balance between power, reliability, and cost-effectiveness, the MF385 continues to be an excellent choice.